Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition unboxing for you, and it was released yesterday. It's the new Cult Beauty and Jamie Genevieve Beauty Edit. This is the gorgeous box. Now inside contains 7 beauty products, all picked by Jamie Genevieve herself. It costs £30 and it has a value of £75. I like the fact we've got a more affordable beauty box this time. We have been seeing the Cult Beauty boxes being around £45 price mark, so yeah, a £30 one is good, but let's see if it's actually worth it. Now it says on the front here, handpicked by pro, makeup artist Jamie Genevieve. This limited edition edit is bursting with her skin prep secrets and beauty staples. Discover travel, deluxe and full-size favourites that every canvas needs. This box was released yesterday, and the only reason I found out about it was because I was scrolling Facebook and an ad came up, a Cult Beauty ad came up, and I thought, this is already on sale, because I signed up for notifications as soon as I spotted it a couple of weeks ago. Normally you get an email to let you know that it's been released, and then it goes on general sale the following day. I had a look through all my emails and I couldn't find anything, which is really odd, isn't it? So as soon as I spotted it, I did share it everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, X, and also on here as well in the community tab. I just had a look now on their website and it is still available. It hasn't sold out. So by the time you see this later tonight, then hopefully, fingers crossed, it hasn't sold out if you are interested in getting one for yourself. Normally the Cult Beauty boxes do. They sell out within a day or two. So fingers crossed they've got more stock this time. So yeah, so let's get on to open it then. You'll find, as always, links down below in my description, as well as my giveaway over on Instagram and all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. Give you a quick sneak peek. All the products can be bought individually off the Cult Beauty website as well. Okay then, starting off with a sheet mask. This is by Dr.Jart and this is Ceramidin. It's a skin barrier moisturising mask, and it's a single-use mask. There's all the information on the back there. It says, when your skin barrier needs something extra, the sheet mask is your friend. Coated in the barrier strengthening solution with ceramide MP and panthenol, it sends moisture levels soaring and strengthens the skin barrier. Just tells you what to do, as you probably already know, and you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So you've got a sheet mask. Then I'm excited about this. I do like fresh cosmetics. This is Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. It's a skin nutrition facial mist with a vitamin fruit complex. There's 100 mils here. Look at the packaging. Isn't that beautiful? That's just the outer packaging. But yeah, it just sounds... I've never tried this before, but it sounds amazing. So can I give you more information? Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water with a vitamin fruit complex is an invigorating skin nutrition mist that delivers essential antioxidant protection for a dewy, healthy looking anytime glow. Enriched with a potent blend of vitamin C, E and B5, lemon and orange, big tick, fruit extracts and revitalizing minerals. The versatile, fast-drying formula can be used as a cooling primer, a makeup setting spray, or an instant pick-me-up. The hydrated mist keeps skin protected from environmental stresses whilst awakening and energising the complexion. This sounds so good. Oh, okay, let's try it on my face. It's very fine mist. Really, really fine, so it will not disrupt your makeup. Oh, it smells amazing as well. Very subtle, but it does smell nice and fruity. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I don't know what benefit it will do on my skin with all this makeup on. But no, I really like that. Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. Then we've got some SPF. This is La Roche-Posay, and this is Anthelios UVMune 400, 50 plus. It's invisible fluid, and there's 15 mils there. Ultra long UVA protection, very water and sweat resistant, anti-eye stinging and non-perfume. A really nice size as well to take away. I'm going on my first solo trip. I'm going to Rhodes in August. I'm just going away for a couple of nights just to see what it's like with me being on holiday on my own. So if any of you have solo travelled before, let me know if there's any like tips and things I should be doing or what to watch out for and things like that. I'd love to know. I'm going back to Rhodes because I'm familiar with Greece. I'm absolutely obsessed with Greece. So familiar with Greece, specifically Rhodes as well. I was in Rhodes with my son last April. So I'm literally staying in a hotel, a couple of hotels down from where we were. So I'm familiar with the area, actually in Rhodes town. So yeah, it's going to be an eye-opener to see if I can manage on my own. If I like being on my own then. But no, this is what I'm thinking with this. I know I go off on a tangent, and I know I get loads of comments actually saying I talk too much, so I do apologise. The reason I'm mentioning all that is because this will be coming with me, because I do like this. I have tried it before, and yeah, it's a nice size. Next we've got Kiehl's, and this is Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash with calendula flower extracts for normal to oily skin types. It's 30 mils. There's no extra information on the back there. It's a nice foaming gel. I've tried this a few times, and I've had the Kiehl's advent calendar as well, and I'm sure I must have had it in there. I think I had the full size version. I don't instantly gravitate towards a foaming gel, I've got to be honest. I don't mind a foaming cream as much, but I just find a foaming gel just takes a little bit longer to get off your face. But it's not to say that this isn't great, because it does leave my skin feeling really nice, and I'd actually like take that on a weekend or something away with me. I just prefer the types of cleansers then, or if it's a foaming one, I prefer like a cream as opposed to a gel. Right, I gotta stop talking. I am sorry, I'm off on one today. Benefit 24-hour setter. It's a eyebrow setting gel. We get these a lot in different beauty boxes, and yeah, it's a staple. It's a really good product. It's a really good formula. I've been using it for years and years and years. It's a clear eyebrow gel there. We got something else which I really like. This is OUAI, and this is a scalp and body scrub in the scent of St. Barts, which is beautiful. And how much we got? Yeah, we got 30 grams. OUAI do the most amazing smelling products. They just smell amazing. If only you could smell it. It's like a tropical, coconutty, pineapple sort of smell. Yeah, St. Barts, you're on holiday. It's got a scalp and body scrub there. And then lastly, we've got the one and only product from VIEVE, from Jamie Genevieve's own brand, and it is Lip Dew. I haven't got this. I have got quite a few VIEVE products, but it's a glossy lip oil. This is full size as well. Because it's her actual curated box, I was hoping we would get more VIEVE products in there, because her products are really, really good. Hopefully we'll have a Cult Beauty X VIEVE beauty box in the future. So we have a box full of VIEVE products. Yeah, it will sell well. I know it will. I can guarantee. I can't guarantee, but you know what I mean. I predict that it would sell well, because her products are really loved. But yeah, look at that. This is in shade Cherub. There, really, really pretty. Does it smell? It's got a really sweet smell. Ooh, what have I got on? I've got a Huda Beauty matte lipstick with a little bit of gloss on. I'll just put a little bit. I don't think the Huda Beauty will come off, but I haven't got a mirror. There, can you tell a difference? It feels so good on my lips. And it doesn't feel really goopy. It looked goopy, but no, what is it? It's a lip oil, isn't it? Yeah, glossy lip oil. See, this is what I love. I'm surprised I haven't bought one of these already, but no, I'm really chuffed to that. Really, really chuffed. And there you go, those are all the products in the Cult Beauty and Jamie Genevieve Beauty Edit. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Ceramidin Sheet Mask by Dr.Jart. We've got a Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Facial Mist by Fresh Cosmetics. We've got La Roche-Posay UVMune 400 and SPF Cream. We've got a Kiehl's Calendula Foaming Facial Wash. We've got an OUAI Scalp and Body Scrub in the scent of St. Barts. We've got Benefit 24-hour Setter, a clear eyebrow gel. And lastly, we have got a Lip Dew, a glossy lip oil in Cherub by VIEVE. 7 products in all. It has a value of £75 and it is retailing for £30. I really like it. There's some products in here that I haven't tried before. Really chuffed about the Fresh spray and the Lip Dew as well. All the others I have tried before, and none of them I'd say I don't like. So no, it is a good box for me. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go out and buy it? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.